budgeting for repairs on a rental deal. What is happening, YouTube? It's Matt Faircloth. Thank you for watching Mentorship Monday. So today we're going to talk about budgeting for repairs in a rental deal. This question comes from, I don't have the name, I don't know why, but Iowa City, Iowa. Could be our fault. Maybe you didn't put your name in your email, but Iowa City, Iowa. This one came in and helped me at DeRosaGroup.com. So my friend in Iowa City is 24 years old, and he has 5 properties already. Salute. Very nice. And they're located in HOA. HOA covers everything outside of my actual units. I've been at this for like 2.5 years. I really enjoy self-managing my properties. They're a nice cash flow, easy to rent. So you're looking to raise your game. Looking to get into 4 to 6 unit single site building. Exciting, cool. And you're part of the world that's going to run you between $4 to $500,000. Okay, wants to put down 20%. I was wondering how much I should budget for annually for the repairs and capital expenditures. So that's an interesting question, and there's so many rules of thumb out there. And also, just to caveat, this person saying not including snow, lawn, pest control, management fees. He's already got a budget for those. So very good. I think that what you want to really think about is there are so many different rules of thumb when it comes to managing rentals. And especially 4 to 6 units is kind of an odd space. And what the mistake people do is they end up applying the rules that work for larger buildings to smaller buildings. I've seen people say like, oh, well, maintenance should only run you about, $500-$600 a door. Well, yeah, that's true if it's a big apartment building. If it's like a 100-unit apartment complex, that's a rule of thumb for a large apartment building is $500 to $600 a unit per year in maintenance expenses. But on a 4 to 6 unit deal, I would err a little on the high side, but just because it just may cost you a little more to renovate. Not to renovate, but to do maintenance on that property. So I'd probably be in the neighborhood of like $700 to $800 a unit. So for a 4 unit at $700, that would be $2,800 a year. You manage yourself. So I would also look at what you're paying right now historically to manage the other units to maintain the 5 units you have already. Because a 4 to 6 unit building is going to kind of behave in a way maintenance wise as a portfolio of 4 to 6 units would spread across a location, because your maintenance guy's probably not going to go out and knock out a ton of work orders all at one time on 4 to 6 units. It's just not enough work to do. And so he's going to, he or she's going to go and take care of what there is to take care of, and then go and respond when there's other issues. So for 4 to 6 units, I would go up a bit. The other mistake that people make is they don't, on a 4 to 6 unit deal, they're not budget for turning over the apartments. So you need to have another line item outside of maintenance for unit turn. For larger apartment buildings, it's something that just kind of gets lumped into maintenance. And if you're doing a big capital renovation plan, that's included in that too. But for a 4 to 6 unit deal, or even up to like a 10 or 15 unit deal, you tend to include another line item in your budget for turning the apartment. That's just repainting, touching things up, and stuff like that. So you got to throw a little more expenses at your building to cover for tenant move outs. Even if you're going to keep it in the same condition, you want to put a little bit, just another line item in there at whatever you think it's going to cost to turn those apartments, and say maybe 1 to 2 vacancies a year show up, right? So hope that helps, my friend from Iowa City, Iowa. And remember, again, if you guys have questions, you want to email them to helpme@DeRosaGroup.com. And to this person here, my Iowa City friend, congrats. Awesome that you're going from 5 doors spread out up to 4 to 6. Great way to leverage yourself up. And good luck on that deal. Helpme@DeRosaGroup.com for questions on real estate. And as always, check out my Facebook page at Facebook.com/DeRosa Group, and newsletter and all that kind of fun stuff too. So hope you guys are well. Thank you. Happy Monday for those of you guys that are watching this thing on Monday, and have a great and profitable week.